Hello, welcome to week 8. Thank you for taking your midterm last week and for submitting your learning strategy portfolio draft. I will be providing you with feedback on that in the next couple of days. So just make sure to submit it if you haven't yet. And when you get the feedback, just be sure to keep up with it because you will make changes to your first 5 chapters and then continue working on it to submit it at the end of the semester. So just kind of keep up with the comments so that you can make changes if needed. So this week we'll be moving on to chapter 6 where we learn about different kinds of development. So this week make sure that you read chapter 6. Chapter 6. And then also 2 important theories are the theories of Piaget and Vygotsky. So I do have supplemental readings for you. Make sure that you've read those in this chapter, in addition to watching the lecture over this chapter. This is a large chapter and has a lot of information, kind of like chapter 5. And then also you'll see more information from your peers about those 2 theories, social cognitive and cognitive developmental theory. So the second part of the chapter after the development talks about intelligence. And so this week you're going to be completing a discussion over intelligence. And so what I would like for you to do is answer the question, what is intelligence? Now, the book provides you with a lot of different ideas and theories. So there's not necessarily a right answer that I'm looking for in this discussion. I do want you to read the chapter and think about what you believe intelligence to be, and then provide an example. So you don't have to look for the right answer, but just explain after having read the chapter what you believe intelligence is, whether it's nature, nurture, a combination, and then be sure that you explain that in 150 to 300 words. What you believe it to be, again, supported by the book. And then you'll reply to at least 2 of your classmates for 25 points each. So make sure that you respond to them and you can either disagree with what they say or you can add to what they say. Excuse me, that's up to you. So that's going to be 25 points each, just adding to your classmates' posts. Again, using information from the textbook or your own experiences to further the discussion. So if you have any questions about what's due this week, just let me know. Thanks.